Want to know how to turn this 26-minute long video into multiple videos? Well, in this featurette, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use a feature within Camtasia to do just that. So stay tuned. Now that you have your long video completely edited, you're ready to start the process to create your individual videos. To do this, you'll need to utilize two features within Camtasia. The first is markers. That was covered in a previous video I shared with you on how you could use markers to create YouTube chapters for your YouTube videos. But today's featurette is going to focus on the second feature, which is exporting the video into multiple files. So as you can see, I've already identified the markers for this particular video. Now this works perfectly if you have nice, clean sections in your videos. So everywhere that you have a marker, it's best if you can identify and place each marker at a clean section beginning and ending. This prevents your individual videos beginning mid-sentence or at the end of a previous section of your video. When you're finished, all you need to do is export your video. To export videos in Camtasia, you'll need to go to the menu bar at the top left corner of your screen. From there, you'll select the Share button. Next, select Local File. When the Production Wizard window opens, choose the format Custom Production Settings at the bottom. Click Next and stick with the recommended MP4 file format. Click Next again. Under the Smart Player options, click on the tab that says Video Settings and click on the box that says Multiple Files Based on Markers. Then click Next. You won't need to do anything here on the Video Options window, so click Next. On the Produce Video window, you'll see all the different video files that this particular video will produce. All you need to do here is simply select where you want the video to be saved. If you need to, you can also change the production name. And then you can click on Finish and it will export and render all of the files to your computer. So now that it's finished rendering and exporting, let me share what those video files look like. And that's it. As always, if you like this video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. And please comment with any questions or let me know if there are any other videos that you'd like to have featured here on my channel. Until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next Learn Video Creation featurette.